Starting a new business is risky. Developing an innovative and technical startup is even riskier. Did you know that about 42% of startups fail because there was no market need? And it's a heartbreaking statistics. The average failed startup also spends around 18 months building the wrong product, and most founders speak to fewer than 5 potential customers before they start writing any code and delivering any feature of a product. Why does this happen? Honestly, product validation and market demand skills require a specific skill set that many technical or non-business founders miss early on. Even professional product managers struggle with this because validating business ideas effectively isn't trivial. It demands a trusted framework, deep research skills, data aggregation tools, and the ability to extract unbiased insights from aggregated information and real users' conversation. For a single feature or business concept to be validated, it may take weeks or even months if doing this manually. So how do you solve this? How do you validate startup ideas the right way? So first, you could spend months reading books and iterating blindly with a lot of risk. You could hire an expensive professional with the product management skills and market research expertise. Or you can use automated, data-driven tools like Di11a's Signal feature, which I'm going to show you in this tutorial video on how to validate business or product feature ideas. So, Signal runs your concept through an automated idea analysis and idea severity analysis. It delivers a multi-factor breakdown and quantifies signal strength using real market data. It helps you safely decide whether to move forward, pivot, or just jump to another business or project idea. Here's how it works. First, idea analysis. A common pitfall for first-time builders is assuming their rough idea automatically solves a real-world problem. Di11a's idea analysis evaluates your raw description to provide baseline validation by identifying the core problem, solution, and solution mechanics in your input. Think of it as a foolproof sanity to structure your brainstorm in an industry standard format so anyone can easily understand how a business operates, what problem it solves, and how. Next, idea severity analysis. This is where the super magic happens. The Signal scans the web to measure market sentiment, distilling real user complaints and economic indicators. And after it delivers a visual traffic light verdict alongside quantified metrics on urgency, intensity, and frequency of a problem, so it becomes clear if you deal with a potential strong or weak idea. Now let's look at a real-world use case to see how it works in practice. So you can witness yourself how to validate a real business or product feature idea within a few moments without spending any money or time on building it. If you want to test your first project right now, go and try the free option of the Explore tier and leave a comment of your experience under this video. And we jump to the demo. We start here on the dealer dashboard where you find a demo project to explore, but we are going to create a new project and validate our own idea. So to proceed, you just click create a new project and you're going to be introduced with a form. Simply name your project and select your target country. If you need localized city-level research, you can just specify that in your description. Next, write a quick description of up to 100 words. Don't worry about making it perfect because the app will process it and make it beautiful for you. And then just select the optional functionality and add an optional project image, select your current status, and you're good to go. Let's test it with the real data. I love football and coaching, and as a side venture, I run a kids football academy. I want my unique selling point to be a multidisciplinary training approach for better athletic results. Plus, given my technical background, I want to offer a digital platform to parents so they can track their kids' progress through it. I'll name this solution Sport Park Junior Football School. And since I'm based in Batumi, Georgia right now, I'll select Georgia as the country, but notice my description explicitly mentioned the city for the localization filtering. I'll keep the defaults. I will keep the defaults and hit proceed. So let me do this. I'm providing already ready prepared description and copy pasting the name. I'm selecting a country from the list and I'm keeping the image link empty, status as default, stage as default, and I hit create. Once created, we land on the project overview page. This gives you an executive summary once generated in a second and a scoring table. So you can explore those functionality later on, but right now we are jumping to a core idea analysis section. It takes a few moments to generate the executive summary and the core idea analysis. Let's wait. Right. Once the executive summary is generated, you're gonna see a blinking blue point next to core idea analysis section on the side menu. Let's go there to this section. Look at this. The app has perfectly decomposed my rough input into a structured 3-block format. It validates the core problem, suggests a tailored solution, and details the mechanics of how it solves the problem. I can easily edit this information if I want to adjust my direction, because this output serves as the foundation for further analysis. I can iterate on it on the go. But I will keep it as it is right now to proceed. So now let's back this up with real market data using idea severity analysis, and I'll run the analysis so it takes just a few seconds to be produced. Once done, the results are split into scoring and detailed insights. Right away, you see the app scores this idea with 85 scores out of 100 as the maximum. This strong signal means the target audience's pain point is highly critical, proving that this particular idea is absolutely worth pursuing. To ensure your market demand analysis is accurate, you can audit the source data directly in the Inside Details section. You can view the share volume of the discovered web signals. In this case, we have 20 signals. Look at these grouped complaint themes, complete with direct quotes from real users across the web. Each theme links directly to an original source. The data is pure gold. It can serve as your future product backlog. By building features that directly address these validated complaints, you can be 100% confident you're solving real user problems. The quantified breakdown of urgency, intensity, and frequency gives your data-driven arguments to support your business direction or adjust your concept to achieve even a high validation score. While 85 score is an excellent green light for my academy, Di11a also allows anyone to go even deeper. I can now conduct advanced customer development interviews using synthetic customer persona feature or map out possible competitors and pinpoint strengths and weaknesses to win over them. If you want to explore those features, check out them in the relevant sections of the product or watch our dedicated tutorials on this channel to learn how to use them properly. That wraps up our tutorial on how to validate business idea with real market data. Di11a Signal feature is live right now on the product. You can start with our Explore tier for basic validation on one project, or upgrade directly to the Hustler tier to run comprehensive analysis for 3 distinct projects. Check all the details at di11a.com/features/signal. And now we have a bonus for you. If you made this far, congratulations. We want to give away 3 Hustler tier subscriptions for free. And to take part into this context, you need to take a few actions. First, like this video and then go to the comment sections and leave a comment. Your comment must contain special information. First, in your comment, include your project name you want to develop as a business, country and region of operation, and a brief description of up to 500 words. Minimum 400 words. And the exact keyword, Di11a Signal Business Idea Validation. After some time, we will randomly select 3 winners and we will give Hustler tier subscriptions for 1 month to those people. Full terms and conditions are listed in the video description below. Turn your ideas into great businesses with Di11a, and good luck.